So Pratibha, first of all, a warm welcome to Glitz Vision USA.
Thank you.
This is the first time we are interviewing you, and thank you so much, for agreeing to do this interview. So Pratibha, first of all, I just wanted to say that hope you are doing fine, you are safe, and just tell me one thing: how have you kept your sanity? Like the past 1.5 years has been difficult for everyone, especially actors, who have to shoot in this pandemic. So how are you taking it as an actor and as an individual, all which is happening right now with the humans?
I think because this is my first show and this happened at the time of pandemic. I mean, like we were just about to start shooting and the pandemic just came in. So whereas now, right now, I see my friends, they're getting bored sitting at home. They're telling me, oh my God, you're so lucky you're working right now. Look at us, we're just sitting at home and doing nothing. So I think this is one thing that makes me feel like, okay, I should really appreciate and be grateful for what I have right now rather than complaining. Of course, there are some times when I'm cribbing a lot, I don't want to work right now. Oh my God, so difficult working on set. It's so difficult. But then I just feel be grateful right now because people don't have work, because there are so many friends of mine who are telling me there's no work outside, you have work. So yeah, I just one thing that I always keep in mind, that whatever is happening right now is happening for the best, and be grateful.
Right. Okay, Brother, tell me one thing. So we all know you don't belong to Mumbai. You are from Shimla. Then you came here, and then of course you went to auditions and you had your own share of ups and downs. Now that you're playing a lead in a TV show, and if I'm not wrong, this is your first show. Whatever little journey you had, okay, what do you think about that journey? Was it like a roller coaster? Was it like a normal one? How was the journey?
Since a very young age, my parents, they've always supported me for whatever I wanted to do. But basically, कोई restriction नहीं रही है कि don't do this or don't do that. They've always supported me. And Shimla being a very small town, there's lack of awareness. People don't know that what is industry actually. We don't know about that. We just see whatever we're able to see on TV or through social media. That's all we have, a limited source of knowledge and awareness. So initially, my parents, they were a little worried that should you go or should you not go? But then I just felt, okay, just give me one chance. Let me go and let me just prove myself. Agar kuch nahi hota, I'll come back home. But then luckily, I came here. I worked so hard. I used to audition every day. And slowly and steadily, within 6 months, I got Kurbaan Hua. And it was very nice because back in Shimla, I used to do theatre and I used to go for my dance classes also. So वो passion हमेशा से मेरे अंदर रहा है acting करने का, वो acting करने का कीड़ा हमेशा से मेरे अंदर रहा है. And मेरे dance teacher ने मुझे बहुत support किया है. जब मेरी family कभी-कभी थोड़ा डर जाती थी, so my teacher used to come and say कि no, just support her, just let her go, let her fly. And so I think उस टाइम मेरी जर्नी उतनी डिफिकल्ट नहीं रही थी. जब मैं मुंबई आई, when actually मैंने देखा कि लाइफ कैसी होती है. So coming here all alone and then finding work, and when जब एक बार काम मिल गया, उसके बाद जब मैं यहाँ पे धीरे-धीरे सेटल होने लगी, then I realized कि okay, I think now I'm missing home, because इतना heavy काम करने के बाद whenever you come back, you want to enjoy that homely vibe, so that you feel comfort. It's a psychological comfort. We always feel very comfortable in our house because there's this psychological comfort कि हाँ ये अपना घर है. So initially that was missing, and so Kurbaan Hua has been a roller coaster journey for me because I've seen so much in my first show. Now I don't feel like this is my first show. It feels like okay, I've done 2-3 shows already and I'm so prepared and so confident for future. Yeah, Kurbaan Hua has changed me completely in terms of acting, in terms of my personality, who I was and who I am right now. And yeah, it has been a beautiful journey. I mean, your journey teaches you so much that you should always embrace it. And Kurbaan Hua mein to, it has been a beautiful journey. I can't explain to you. But yeah.
Right. But Pratibha, what was the hardest part of, coming into this industry and being in this field? Was it, when you started shooting, was it the acting part, or was it the fact that, you have to live alone? You have to, understand all the aspects, just by yourself. What was the challenging and the hardest part?
Of course, as you said, both of them were the challenging part, but I was lucky that, when I joined Kurban, Karan was there. So I never felt like an outsider. मुझे ऐसा लगता था, okay, I have a very good friend with me who's always supporting me. He just said, okay, it's okay to do mistakes. You've just started. Don't feel bad about that. You've just started. One day, एक ऐसा दिन भी था when I had started, and I was also making silly mistakes. And he has always motivated me. Till date, he motivates me. I remember one day, एक shot था, and I think I was not able to do that. So I came in my makeup room and I started crying. Then he said, "What happened?" And I told him कि I was not able to do this. So he said कि अरे, you don't even realize जब मैं पहली बार काम कर रहा था तो मैं कैसा था, and when I look at you, so you're 10 times better than me. So छोटी छोटी चीजें से जिस तरह से वो मुझे मोटिवेट करता था, एंड ऑफ कोर्स माय डायरेक्टर, आई थिंक उन्होंने ही मुझ पे इतना कॉन्फिडेंस डाला कि नो, आई कैन सी समथिंग इन प्रतिभा. दैट इज व्हाई मुझे चाहत के कैरेक्टर के लिए लिया गया, बिकॉज ही सेड कि आई कैन सी दैट स्पार्क इन दिस गर्ल एंड आई वांट दिस गर्ल. तो जिस तरह से मुझे मेरे डायरेक्टर ने नर्चर किया, एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स करण बीइंग सो सपोर्टिव दैट टाइम, तो आई थिंक मेरी काफी बैटल्स मैंने वहां पे अपने लड़ लिए थे, वो बैटल्स मैंने एक हद तक. एंड अभी रिसेंटली व्हाट आई रियलाइज, सो मैं मुंबई को कभी घर नहीं मानती थी. मेरे लिए बॉम्बे एक ऐसी जगह है जो सिर्फ काम के लिए है. सो राइट नाउ व्हेन वी वेंट टू गोवा एंड नवसारी फॉर आवर शूटिंग, दैट टाइम आई रियलाइज्ड कि I was just sitting one day and I just realized I want to go back to Bombay. मेरे दिमाग में मुंबई का थॉट आया, शिमला का थॉट नहीं आया. And I was like, मैं ये क्यों सोच रही हूँ कि मुझे मुंबई जाना है. That time I realized, shooting in Bombay is so much comfortable than shooting in Goa and Navsari, because we have a comfort here. यहाँ पे अपना खुद का सेट है. And मुझे बारिश कभी पसंद नहीं थी, क्योंकि शिमला से हूँ तो बर्फ में ही बहुत ज्यादा खुश हो जाती थी, एंड बारिश से मुझे थोड़ी इरिटेशन होती थी. But Goa, Navsari में, it was so hot there. That time I was praying to God, oh God, please बारिश हो जाए, बारिश हो जाए. And when I came to Bombay, जैसी बारिश हुई, I felt so nice. तो वो जो एक मुंबई के इंसान में छोटी छोटी चीजें होती है ना, बारिश को पसंद करना, तो वो छोटी छोटी चीजें मेरे अंदर आ रही है. And I'm really liking it कि okay, finally मैंने accept कर लिया है कि मुंबई मेरा घर है. So I think right now this was my achievement, कि मैंने अभी recently ये चीज realize की कि ठीक है, मैं मुंबई में भी अपना घर बना रही हूँ, मेरा घर बन रहा है बॉम्बे में. एक psychological comfort मुंबई में भी रह रहा, नहीं तो मैं हमेशा बोलती थी शिमला शिमला शिमला.
Okay, Pratibha, as you rightly said, and Karan is a person, whether it's you or whether it's any of his friends, he has always been very supportive. And not only that, but even your on-screen chemistry was loved by everyone. Of course, he had his own reasons to not continue, but, was it difficult for you then, to have set up a chemistry with Rajveer, who, eventually came to the show? Initially, was it difficult for you to create that same magic?
See, I feel chemistry is something, if you're a good performer, it will come automatically. You don't need to have lovely bonds, etc., etc. It's just, you need to perform well. You need to perform from your heart. So, of course, when Karan was there, things were very different. And, I feel कि वो, he trained me in a way that जो भी आए मेरे बाद, you have to welcome him. The way, he made sure that I should feel comfortable on set. I should not feel left out. I should not feel like a fresher. Same thing he told me, that now Pratibha, I'm moving out from here, but the responsibilities comes on your shoulder. So now you have to make sure the guy who's coming in, so he told me that make sure that whoever the person is coming in, he should feel comfortable. He should not feel left out, because I think this is a very small gesture to make someone feel very comfortable. And if you're comfortable in that space, in that aura, automatically the performance comes out. So, I think initially that was my main focus. Of course, Kurban hua, suddenly all responsibilities, they just suddenly came on my shoulders. And I was like, okay, what happened? So, but then I realized कि ये सब कुछ ने मुझे काफी ग्रो किया है, काफी ज्यादा ग्रो किया है. वो होता है ना कि तुम्हें भगवान ने एक ऐसे मैदान में भेजा है, वहां पे तुम्हें लोगों को भेज रहे सिखाने के लिए. I just feel कि मेरा यहाँ पे आना, and then the way Karan helped me so much, and जब भगवान को टेस्ट लेना था तो he went and I was all alone कि now just do it. show me how, just do whatever I've taught you. तो मेरे लिए वो वैसी जर्नी रही है, and touch wood, I feel so nice कि I didn't slipped कहीं पे भी मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा कि oh shit मैंने कुछ गलत किया. Touch wood, it has been a very nice journey, and I hope it continues to be.
Okay. So, we also know that dance is something which is your passion, and you are very passionate about dance. So tell me something, is there something which you really want to do in the field of dancing, any form which is very close to your heart and you want to promote? What would that be?
Dancing, of course, dancing is very close to me, and I don't think so that now I want to pursue dancing, because I think dancing bhi maine isliye सीखी थी to to be a package, to come like a package. If I'm good at acting, I also wanted to be good in dancing. So already I have won competition at national platforms. So for now, I don't want to take dancing to that zone. But yeah, dancing is something, that refreshes me when I'm feeling very sad or very low, and I want to spend time with myself. So I'll just play music and I'll just dance around my house. So I think dancing is that for me. It has a very personal touch. Dancing has a very personal touch to me, whereas acting was not that way. Acting, I learned acting. Dancing मुझे कभी इतना सीखने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, क्योंकि वो आती गई. But acting is something जो मैं बहुत ज्यादा मैंने अपना पूरे focus and concentration, dedication के साथ किया है.
Okay, last question. Sometimes back there was a photo of you and Dream, and that how you people gel up really well, and and this is such an industry where it is very actually difficult. I know whether it's a stereotype or not, but it is said that it's very difficult to find a true friend. So when we showed these pictures of you and Dream, anything which you want to share about the bond which you and Dream share?
Like as I said before, that when I came from Shimla, I had this fear that, oh God, I don't have any friends here. It felt like I'm starting a new life again. But then again, Karan only told me that thing. This happens to everyone. You need to make friends. People will not come up to you. You need to be friendly with everyone. You need to be welcoming. So it just, because I knew Reem from quite a long time, but we were not that good friends initially, because we didn't get time to spend together. But when we were in Goa, I think that was a time we really gelled so well, because हमारे rooms भी साथ में थे. So pack up के बाद we used to sit together and chit chat, and from there we really created a nice bond. So I think it just happens. And again, I just realized you should not be afraid before, because God has always planned something or the other for you. For the right time, it will fall on the place. So you should not be very aregi kaisa hoga, wo kaisa hoga. You should be very confident in whatever you're doing, in whatever you're getting. Just accept that with your full heart and just move on.
Okay. The last question which I just wanted to ask is that, of course, you have just started your career, but at this moment right now, is there any plan when it comes to your career that this is the height of success which I want to achieve, and this is something which I really want to achieve? What would that be?
I think right now, just as I've really started my career, I have always focused on one thing, that is, how I can be a good performer, how I can be good in acting. I think if I focus on that, everything will come my way. So right now, my main focus and my main goal is to be a versatile actor. I just don't want to be, that, okay, she can only do these type of roles. I want to explore more and more in my acting, so that, even I get to know that where I am good at. Because initially when I came, I was not so much confident with my emotional scenes, but with time I realized that now today I'm best with my emotional scenes, the way I pull it off. So I think these things come with a lot of experience. So right now I really want to experience each and every sort of character and emotion.
Okay. And lastly, any message you want to give to your fans, and especially to the fans who really miss seeing you and Karan on screen? What would be that message?
I would. In fact, with me and Karan, I see there are so many edits. Aaj bhi jab main apna Insta kholti hu, there are like so many edits. So I just feel ki, that bond जो हमारे पास था, you know, वो audience तक कितना अच्छे से connect हो पाया कि आज तक audience इतनी intact है उस bond को लेकर. And for my fans, I'll say that thank you for always supporting me. I mean, you know, one thing I've always said कि criticism and appreciation like actor की journey का part होता है. तुम्हें अगर criticize करता है तो it's so that you can, you know, work on yourself, you can, you know, improve yourself. And अगर कोई appreciate करता है, so it's for you to feel good and nice. But मैंने अपनी जर्नी में ये देखा है कि मुझे इतना support और इतनी appreciation मिली है कि मैं इसी चीज से इतना overwhelmed feel करती हूँ that I always thank them कि thank you so much. You know, I don't have anything else to say other than just saying thank you. So मैं अभी भी जब मैं थैंक यू बोलती हूँ, मैं सच में पूरे दिल से थैंक यू बोलती हूँ. एंड आई मेक श्योर कि मैं अपने फैंस को कभी कोई मैसेज भी करूँ, क्योंकि सब बोलते हैं कि यू डोंट मैसेज, यू डोंट रिप्लाई. सो मैं सबको मैसेज नहीं कर पाती हूँ ऑफ कोर्स, बट देन आई मेक श्योर कि कोई भी ऐसा स्वीट एडिट डालता है टू रीपोस्ट दैट, रीशेयर इट. सो छोटे छोटे जेस्चर्स आई ट्राई एंड डू इट. सो या, थैंक यू.
Okay, so thank you so much, Pratibha, for this lovely interview, and I really hope all your projects and all your dreams do come true. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
You guys are watching Glitz Vision USA right now, and keep watching it, keep subscribing to it, because these guys are amazing.